This is an audiovisual representation of a study published in the Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery in 2026. Shoulder hemiarthroplasty remains an important treatment option for younger, active patients with glenohumeral arthritis, particularly as concerns exist regarding long-term glenoid component survival and bone loss after total shoulder arthroplasty. However, persistent pain and progressive glenoid erosion following traditional cobalt-chromium hemiarthroplasty have limited its broader acceptance. To address these concerns, investigators evaluated the short-term clinical outcomes and implant survivorship of a pyrocarbon humeral head implant and compared the findings with those of a propensity score-derived historical cohort treated with cobalt-chromium hemiarthroplasty. In this prospective, single-arm, multicenter study, 157 patients underwent pyrocarbon hemiarthroplasty and were followed for a mean of approximately 24 months. Clinical outcomes included the constant score, the American Shoulder and Elbow Surgeons or ASES score, pain scores, range of motion, quality of life measures, and adverse events. The analysis demonstrated significant improvements across all functional and patient-reported outcome measures. Composite clinical success, defined as a greater than or equal to 17-point improvement in the constant score without revision or device-related adverse events, was achieved in 82.7% of the pyrocarbon hemiarthroplasty cohort, compared with 66.8% in the matched cobalt-chromium hemiarthroplasty cohort. The 3-year revision-free survival rate was 96.6% in the pyrocarbon hemiarthroplasty group. In summary, pyrocarbon hemiarthroplasty demonstrated favorable short-term outcomes and improved composite clinical success compared with a matched historical control.